So if you watched the last couple videos about the Redneck air conditioner, it's getting to be winter time. And once again, I'll reiterate, don't give me no lip unless you want to buy me a brand new central air unit. But seeing how it's getting winter time, I unplugged this right here. This for the compressor down there for the cold side. And I annihilated one of these coffee pots right here to get one of these elements right here so that I could then in turn tap it in right in there. I don't know if you can even see that, but it's in there. It's going through the pump and it's getting hot and it's circulating around, and then voila, you got heat.
War and entanglements warned against by George Washington in his departure speech from the presidency. The number one thing he said is don't get involved in wars overseas. They're nation killers.
Shut up. Alright, so right now we got heat. Nice and toasty. Just like the radiator in your car. So it's about 60 degrees outside and it's about 70, maybe 80 inside. There you go. I don't know if you can see in there. There it is. I can see it now. It's in there. Coffee pot element right there. See the little red light on? Now, one of two things is going to happen. Either it's going to stay warm or it's going to get too hot and go pissing water all over my wall, inside or out. So, there you go. Redneck heating system. So I got heating and cooling all in one. All in one, what would you call that? Water cooler. Heating system. Redneck style. You can take that one to the bank. They ain't gonna give you much for it, but you can take it. Anyway, if you don't hear from me again, then that means that one or two things happen. Either I croaked or it worked. There. Get you one of these. And some of those.